Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off professional mode on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app. Then, on the bottom right, you will see your profile icon. Tap on it. Here, you will see professional dashboard as this profile is in professional mode. To turn this feature off, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Then scroll down and tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Now tap on Switch Account Type. Tap on Switch to Personal Account. Confirm this. This may take some time. And here you go. Your profile has been switched to personal mode as you can see here in your profile. That's it for my video today. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in my next video.